Your dedication, determination, and vision inspire us to do the best in our life. From the depth of my heart, I know that you are the best leader, a great mentor, and a friend too. Happy birthday, sir. I wish you a long and successful career. Thank you so much for always being there for me whenever I needed you. Thank you so much for encouraging me to do the best. And thank you so much for giving me an opportunity to take up challenges which were very important for me to succeed in life.
Happy birthday, sir. You have been the best mentor ever. I have learned a lot from you. Enjoy your day, sir.
हाय हैप्पी बर्थडे विशेष भाई, कैसे हैं? चलो अच्छे होंगे। जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद आपको। आपको वो मिले जो आपने सोचा है। थैंक यू फॉर सपोर्टिंग अस एज अ बिग ब्रदर। थैंक यू।
Hi, happy birthday Vished sir, and thank you for all the great experiences that I had with property.com, all because of you. All the best for your future and just keep inspiring people the way you inspired me. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday wishes, sir. It was great working with the property.com and especially you, sir. Under your guidance, I have improved so many things. I hope this year all your dreams comes true. Once again, many happy returns of the day wishes, sir. Thank you.
Hello Vishesha, wish you a very happy birthday. You're the best mentor I've came across in my life and you're such a great person. I hope you achieve and get everything you want in your life.
Happy birthday, sir. It was a great experience working under you, and I learned a lot of new things under your guidance. All the best for future, and may God bless you. Stay safe, stay healthy, and sky's the limit. All the best.
I'm genuinely thankful to be the part of Property.com team. The credit goes to Vishesh sir as he brought me up this opportunity. I learned a lot from this project. I gained a lot of experience. I was introduced to such a nice team, and at the end of the day I feel like I've done something really great. So let's just jump back to the day when I first met him in 2017 as a player, and he was the Delhi team manager. Although he was a really cool manager, and we managed to bag second position in under 19 girls tournament. After that, all of a sudden I got a call from him for this opportunity, and I was running high on adrenaline, because we all do when our coaches call us and we are like, oh shit, now what? So it came out of nowhere, this opportunity, but I'm really grateful that he got me this opportunity, and I wish him very happy birthday. I really enjoyed working, and I wish him wonderful days ahead. Thank you to property.com, to Vishesh sir and the whole team, as it will of course help me in the future. We all remember our first project, our first pair of shoes, our first anything, and I'll too.
Hello Vishesh sir, how are you? On this auspicious day, all I wanna say is a very happy birthday to you. May you find all the happiness in the world. You have really been a really great mentor for the time that I was with property.com, and you have taught me a lot of things that I have been putting into use right now. So all I can say is all the best in your life, and thank you for guiding me and a lot of other interns that joined. I really wish you all the prosperity and happiness in life. Once again, a very happy birthday, sir.
Good morning, sir. A very happy birthday to you. Many returns of the day. I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for whatever additions and skills that I have learned through you. You indeed are a great leader, and I wish all the very best for the future of your company. Thank you so much, sir, for always guiding us through the intricacies of the work and being a great leader. Once again, happy birthday and good luck.
On this beautiful day, I wish you health and happiness forever. Happy birthday, sir.
Hi sir, on the very special day of yours, I want to thank you for being you. I want to thank you for having an open door and listening ears always. You are simply the best person I have ever seen. You are the great mentor, you are a great leader, and I would like just want to wish that the happy and the fulfilling life for you. And so आज कुछ काम मत करना, बिल्कुल भी काम मत करना. कुछ भी काम हो तो मेरे को बता देना. And many happy returns of the day, sir.
Hi sir, happy birthday sir. I really had a great time working with you, sir, and I know you will be very successful in future, sir. Thank you for your support and guidance. It was a very much needed motivation for me, sir. Thank you so much, and happy birthday, sir. I wish you all success in future, sir.
Happy birthday, sir. It was great knowing you and working with you in these 2 months. You are super supportive, approachable, and encouraging. I'll be always grateful to you for your kindness and support. Wish you a very happy birthday once again. Have a great day.
Happy birthday, sir, and many happy returns of the day. You are the best mentors anybody could ever get, and because of you, I have gained the confidence in myself and the confidence in whatever I do. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity of being an intern at property.com. And you were one of the persons who changed my life forever and who made me a professional and who changed my life personally as well. Thank you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, sir. Thank you for giving us all the wonderful opportunity of working at your company. Have a great day ahead.